Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add video to Klaviyo email. This is a great way to boost engagement and make your email campaigns more dynamic and visually appealing. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Klaviyo dashboard where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Click on Campaigns. This section is where you'll create and manage all your email campaigns, making it the central hub for your email marketing efforts. After clicking Campaigns, you'll see a button that says Continue. Go ahead and click on that to move forward with creating your new campaign. You'll then be prompted to select a list. This is the audience you want to send your email to, so choose the appropriate subscriber list from the options available. Once you've selected your list, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Next. This will take you to the template selection page where you can choose how your email will look. Browse through the available templates and click on any one that fits your campaign style. Then click Use Template to apply it to your email. Now comes the part where we actually add the video. On the left side of the editor, you'll see various content blocks you can drag into your email. Find the HTML block and drag it into the position where you want your video to appear. This block allows you to insert custom code, which is exactly what we need for embedding a video. Next, open a new tab and head over to YouTube or any other platform that hosts the video you want to include. For this example, let's use YouTube. Once you've found your video, click the Share button located below the video player. From the sharing options that appear, click Embed. This will generate an HTML code specifically designed for embedding the video elsewhere. Copy the embedded code that YouTube provides. Make sure you've copied the entire code snippet to ensure the video displays correctly in your email. Now go back to your Klaviyo editor and click on the HTML block you dragged in earlier. Paste the code you just copied directly into that block. The video should now appear within your email template, ready to engage your subscribers with rich visual content. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Klaviyo email, transforming a standard message into an interactive experience that can significantly improve click-through rates and engagement. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.